Hello, Kevin Rundlett with Rundlett Law Firm. Our firm has been helping injured Mississippians for over 20 years. We're putting out these videos just to provide some assistance to anyone who may have been injured on the job and has questions about how the legal proceedings go. Today we're going to be talking about my opinion as to what is the most important thing about your workers' comp case. What is the one thing, if we had to pick out of all the many facets of a workers' comp case, what is the most important thing related to your workers' comp case, and what can make or break your case? It's simply your medical records and what your doctor says. These cases are almost entirely driven by the medical opinions related to the case. So how can we make sure that your doctor is telling the truth of what is going on, that he's seeing the truth of what is going on, and that he's properly documenting that in your records? First of all, we don't want a doctor to say anything that's not true. We don't want you to say anything to your doctor that is not true. If you do that, it will harm your case. If you try to embellish the seriousness of your injuries, it will hurt your case. We want honesty. The truth of the matter is, we're trying to get you back to work, whether it benefits me financially or you financially because of this workers' comp case. That's not the real issue. You getting back to work is most beneficial for you and your family. So we want truthful opinions. So what happens if you've been sent to a doctor by your employer and you feel like maybe he's not really spending time with you, he's not listening to what you're saying, he's certainly not documenting the things you're telling him? What can we do? Well, we can probably get you to a doctor that's more fair, but we have to do that early on in the process. There's a couple of things that happen that would keep you from being able to get a doctor of your choice if you've been sent to a doctor by the employer or the insurance company. First of all, if the doctor has been treating you for 6 months or more, there's a presumption that that's your choice. Second of all, if the doctor has performed surgery on you, meaning you have given consent to this doctor performing a surgery, then there's also going to be a presumption that that's your choice of physician. So it is important to your case that you get the right doctor. We don't want one that is heavily weighed in favor of the insurance company, and we don't want one that is wrongfully skewed in your point of view either, because that's just going to cause the case to go on for much, much longer. So the doctor's opinions are very important. The doctor that you get is very important, so be careful with that decision. Make sure that you've thought about it. Make sure you're comfortable with that doctor before you allow them to perform surgery and before you've been with them for 6 months. If you have questions about this, feel free to let us know. Let your attorney know if you have concerns about this. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has and you want to see more content in the future, hit that subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching.